Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku for beginners. Let's dive right into the fundamentals of this engaging number puzzle. Sudoku involves a 9x9 grid divided into 9 smaller 3x3 boxes. Your objective is to fill every empty cell with a digit from 1 to 9, ensuring no number repeats within any row, column, or 3x3 box. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your logical thinking and problem-solving skills. The Sudoku grid is a 9x9 square, further sectioned into 9 3x3 smaller boxes. The core rules are straightforward. Every row, every column, and every one of those 9 3x3 boxes must contain all the digits from 1 to 9, with no repeats. This means if you see a 5 in a row, you cannot place another 5 in that same row. This fundamental principle guides all your placements. To begin solving, look for rows, columns, or 3x3 boxes that have many numbers already filled. This makes it easier to identify missing digits. A key technique is single candidate elimination. If a cell can only be one specific number, fill it in. Also, try hidden singles, where a number can only fit into one particular cell within a row, column, or box. Cross-hatching is also useful, where you use existing numbers to rule out possibilities. As you start your Sudoku journey, always begin with easier puzzles. This helps you grasp the logic without feeling overwhelmed. A crucial tip: never guess. Sudoku is purely about logical deduction. If you're unsure, move to another area of the grid. Regular practice is key to improving your speed and recognizing patterns. Don't be afraid to review your work if you get stuck. Understanding where you went wrong is a powerful learning tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.